Hey, this is Hannah with Boundless Enterprise Marketing. I know you're busy and I don't want to take up too much of your time, so I'll hop right to it. This is a free marketing audit to help you get more traffic to your website and climb that first page on Google. Now, there are 3 tricks that I'm going to go over to help you get there, and the first one is content. Google likes to see 1,500 words or more on your home page to show that you are relevant in your field. Right now, you're sitting at about 600 words. So there's room for improvement. I did notice that your images are saved as keywords, which is great, and you have a lot of really good content in here. We'll move on to competition. Your number one competition is going to be cows. They have 1,200 words on their main page, and they also have keywords saved for their images. Coronado is sitting at 1,100 words. Same thing going on with them. So they're right neck and neck. So if you can get that 1,500 or more, you'll pass them right up on content. Next, we're going to look at a tool called Ahrefs. It measures the trust and power of your backlinks. So right now, you're sitting at 38 out of 100 trust and 29 out of 100 power. And that balance is pretty good. You want to see a 1-to-1 ratio. You got 2.4K backlinks, and on your website, you have 951 organic keywords. Those keywords are bringing you 360 people a month to your website, which those people then become clients, and that's money in your pocket. Let's take a look at cows. Cows is having a little bit of a problem with this ratio. You can see that they have their backlinks here, but they're trustworthy and not powerful. They also have 1.2K keywords, bringing them 659 people to their website. And Al Coronado, similar gap here between the trust and the power, 1.12K backlinks and 838 keywords with 470 traffic. Now, they're ranked number 1 on the Google Map Pack, and we'll talk about that next. Google Map Pack really likes citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number listed in multiple directories across the internet. As you can see, Al Coronado is number 1 with only 15 citations, while Cows, which organically is number 1, is number 3 in the Map Pack with 38 citations, and you're number 11 in the Map Pack with 89 citations. Now, that may seem a little weird since I just said that citations are really important. However, not all citations are made equal. See, they need to be relevant to your field and be trustworthy to Google. So if you want to bump up that map pack, you're going to have to accrue some more citations that are more relevant to your field. So overall, a bit more content on your main page. Got to get more backlinks because as long as you keep going up, you're going to climb that ladder on that ranking. And some more reputable citations will help you climb that map pack. Now you can either take this information and you can run with it, and more power to you if you want to do that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself some time, you can give me a call at 520-338-9629. I hope you have a great day, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon.